Hi there. Thanks for watching this video. This is Kirtan here, and today we are going to look into how to connect Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations and customer engagement with Power BI for our report and dashboard creation. So let's get right to it. To start with our Power BI development, we need to get Power BI desktop for our exercise. For that, we can get the Power BI from Microsoft website, which is powerbi.microsoft.com. And once you reach there, you will have two options, either to download through Market or through Advanced option. So if you click on Advanced option, you will be redirected to a new page where there is a download option which would actually download the MSI installer file, or you can go to Marketplace, and there you can see that you can click on install and it will start downloading and installing. So we are not going to continue with installation because I have already downloaded it. So once the Power BI desktop is downloaded, launch the application and create a new project. So by default I will go and I'll click on new. So it will again create a new project for me. So as we already have a new project, we'll go directly to get data. And here you can see in the get data, we have multiple options for our report database. So for our example, there are multiple ways to connect to D365 finance and operations. Either we can go with OData feed, or we can go with one more connector. So we'll click on more, and it will pop up a new window where we will see multiple options for our data. So search for D360. So search for, go to online services and click on Dynamics 365 online, click on connect, and here you can specify your URL for the connectment. So to connect to our Dynamics Finance and Operations environment, we need to specify our URL followed by slash data and click OK. So here I am going to specify slash data and click on OK. So we need to first sign in for our authentication. So it will prompt me to use an account. It can be your organization account, or if it is your local environment, then it would be your local environment account. So once you are signed in, click on connect. So now it will actually try to connect with your finance and operations environment. And once the connection is done, it would actually show you all the tables which are available for you to utilize for your report creation. So right now it is loading. Let's wait for it. So you can see the connection was successful, and you can actually access all the tables which are available for our from for our report creation from finance and operations. So it's a huge list of tables which we can utilize for our report and dashboard creation. And this is your near real time data. So if you refresh, if the transaction happened just before the refresh, it would still go ahead and fetch that data. So which is an ideal scenario to use these services for our report creation. Next option is to directly connect with OData feed. So in that scenario, you just click on OData feed, specify your URL and follow it with data and click OK. So again, it would try to connect to your URL through authentication. So it's the same URL, same records, same tables, but these are actually your now. So once you connect with OData, so OData will also give you list of all the tables which we were able to see in the previous task. So this is another way to connect to Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations through different connector. Next, we are going to see how to connect for Dynamics 365 customer engagement. For that, go to Get Data and click on More. And over here, search for customer engagement. And search for customer insights. And here you can see you have that URL available. So to connect to customer engagement, you need to go to Get Data and search for customer insight. And here's the connector which we are going to utilize for our connection. Select that and click on connect. Click on continue. And here you need to sign in. So while sign in also, you will be asked your organization account or your partner account. So sign in through appropriate account for that connection. Click on connect. So the next thing what we are going to look into is how to connect to Dynamics 365 CRM to Power BI. For that, we'll have to go to Dynamics 365 settings, customizations, and developer resources. So once you click on that, you will see in Instance Web API. So copy this URL, go to Power BI, click on Get Data, click on More, and in the new window, we are going to select Dynamics 365 Online for our database purpose. So go to Online Service, Dynamics 365 Online, click on Connect, and here we'll paste the same URL which we have copied from our developer resource, click OK. So now again it will ask you to log in. So now we are going to select data slash version 9.2 and click on organization account and sign in with the current account. So I have already signed in with, so I'm going to sign in with my organization account. Click on connect. So now the connection is successful, and now we'll see all the entities which are available for us to connect and create our report. So this is how we can connect to Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations as well as CE database for Power BI and utilize it in our report creation. I hope this helps you with your Dynamics 365 journey. Thank you.